Time to eat, fellas, time to eat.
I'm always barbecuing and we always cooking. Everybody love our food, so we like, let's get a food truck and cook for people and make money while you're doing it. We're gonna have hot dogs, hot Polish. We're gonna do Taco Tuesdays, only on Tuesdays. And lemon pepper chicken.
The best.
Yeah, I make the best lemon pepper chicken. And he make good hot chicken.
Yeah.
Fried chicken and our Philly cheesesteaks. Not the burgers, Philly cheesesteaks. Thank God I called you all, y'all had one on the lot. So I didn't have to bring one. One fresh frog hooked me up again. Yeah.
Time to eat?
Yes, Tony is one of the best. And we hope to see y'all again for a second truck.
Yes.
So we're gonna get to St. Louis, cook,
rolling,
and come back and get us another truck.
Save up for another truck. That's the goal.
Yeah.
One fat frog.
Yes.
Baby. We're getting ready to make this money.
Feel good, man.
Feel good.
Been a long time coming, and we finna go to St. Louis and make some money. Downtown St. Louis, that's where you can catch us at. Or you can look us up on Facebook, Time to Eat, and we always have our locations down there, on there.